In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for Remove Widget pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Remove. So when I do that, I can see that my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, you can always do that by holding your display and waiting for all of those options at the bottom. Now hit Widgets at the bottom left corner. Tap on Agree and Continue. Look for Google App and click on it. Then you need to swipe to the left, and when you see Search Bar Widget, select Add at the bottom. Then hold it, drag it wherever you want to, and let go. When you finished, you can click on Home button if you see edit lines over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!